Jobbetter Plastic ABS Extrusion Sheet. How to make great profit. ABS plastic sheet, acrylonitrile styrene, is an engineering plastic with high surface hardness, high impact resistance, high wear resistance, moisture resistance, corrosion resistance, easy processing, and other characteristics. Any size, color, thickness, and texture can be customized. For the special functions such as double color sheets, flame retardant, ABS high gloss, ABS matte, ABS cap PMMA, ABS capped PVC, and etc. Main applications: ABS plastic in automotive. Steering wheel covers and dashboards are often made of ABS plastic. It's also well suited to heavy-duty applications, so it can be used for automotive body parts too. Helps car body absorb and redistribute energy during an impact, keeping passengers safe. ABS for refrigerator inner, bathtub, jacuzzi body, travel luggage, trolley case, and kayak shell. It has the characteristics of flexibility, chemical resistance, and excellent electrical performance. Flame retardant, good surface gloss, low water absorption. Offers machines and medical equipment gel. Lightweight, durable, eco-friendly, recyclable, easy to install. Home decorate plastic texture screen sheet. ABS lamination PVC texture sheets with good corrosion and mechanical properties. Forming seedling tray. ABS provide high durable and excellent high and low temperature performance. The high performance and stability of ABS, helping manufacturers gain higher production profits and customers' confidence in their products. Jobbetter have over 20 years experience. We are ABS Extrusion Sheet Machinery Expert. Jobbetter business partners are all over the world. Just contact us now. We are helping you customize the highest production profit plan for you. Don't forget, like Jobbetter now.